Hey guys, you can see Heath and I just went to Dairy Queen. You can see it just behind me on, I guess it'd be on my left, but on your right, whichever you look at it. I decided to try the hot cocoa, no, the peppermint hot cocoa blizzard. It's the blizzard of the month. Enjoying his chocolate dip cone, or what's left of it. Look at that, guys. Got candy cane bits on there. It's really good. See how it is? Oh wow, look at that. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, it's got a huge chunk of chocolate or peppermint bark, I'm not sure. This tastes really good. It's definitely better than the frozen hot chocolate that I had. Yeah, it's definitely chunks of chocolate and candy cane. Oh, so far nothing on my sweater. Some on my sweater. Definitely nice Christmas treat for sure. Usually get the snack size. I thought I'd splurge and get the small today. This definitely tastes like a peppermint mocha. That's what this tastes like. It's not too sicky sweet. It's just a nice sweet chocolate flavor, but it's not overpowering or anything. And the peppermint mixes in nicely with the ice cream and the chocolate. I do wish this was cheaper though. I'm gonna give this 4 out of 5. Dairy Queen I find to be a little bit expensive, you know what I mean? Because of the price for like something this small, and it's like $6 or $7. Otherwise I would have bumped it up to 5. But I definitely suggest you guys try this. Go to your Dairy Queen and give it a shot. Let me know in the comments if you would try it, or if you try the frozen hot chocolate that I already tried, or what your favorite item from Dairy Queen is whenever you want to treat yourself. Just let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye everybody. Bye bye.